Hi, your host for today is Martha. I'm here to teach you how to produce your own hair cream pomade. First we have to know the ingredients that we need before we can start. So, ingredients needed: 1. Petroleum jelly, also known as the vaseline. 2. Paraffin oil, also known as the white oil. 3. Lanolin. 4. Oil-based color. 5. Vitamin E. 6. Peppermint oil. 7. Jojoba oil. 8. Castor oil. Optional oils can be coconut oil, honey, lavender oil, rosemary oil, and many more. We are good to go once we have all our ingredients available. Let go now. 1. Place your pot or pan for heating on fire. 2. Melt 100 grams petroleum jelly and paraffin oil 200 milliliters, but must not boil. 3. Add 50 milliliters lanolin and stir. 4. Remove content from source of heat. 5. Add 35 milliliters each of the oils, thus your peppermint, vitamins E, jojoba and castor oil, then stir. 6. Add your preferred oil-based color and stir. Note: don't change the direction of your hands when stirring. 7. Let it cool and then pour your cream into your packaging container. You can get the package container like this or this at our shop, located at Petroleum Street, opposite ECG Main Office Avenue, or visit our online shopping www.liquidlie.com/shop. Link to our online shopping is in our description below. Thank you. Your host for today was Martha. See you in a next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information.